and the fourth round 2 chain, 2 double crochet. Now I have 3 double crochet, and next ring make 3 double crochet. Next ring 3 double crochet. So next ring 3 double crochet 2 times between, make 3 chain. This is the corner. We make around 6 corner. I make the first corner 3 double crochet, 1 2 3 and 2 chain, and make 3 double crochet in the same ring here. Three double crochet, 1 2 and corner, and the first here, will make the corner. So that means between the corner have to make 2 ring, 3 double crochet in 2 ring. So next 3 double crochet in 1 ring, 2 ring, and this corner 1 ring, 2 ring, and corner. Make around the same. The last of the fourth round. And 2 chain, 1 2 slip stitch in the last chain, and finish 4 round. Next the 5th round, 1 chain, and make a single crochet around. make around. In the corner, make 2 single crochet in this hole. 1, 2. Next, in each stitch,